Office in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lee County in north central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near DeKalb to 7 miles northwest of Paw Paw, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sandwich, Somonauk, Shabona, Hinckley, Paw Paw, Waterman, and Lee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.